Hey guys, today, we're diving into a receiver that's meant to be the centerpiece of your home theater setup, the Denon AVR-S570BT AV Receiver. If you're someone who cares about immersive sound, crisp visuals, and having one central hub for your TV, speakers, and gaming consoles, this is exactly the kind of unit that hits that sweet spot. Denon has been in the AV game for decades, and they've consistently found a way to combine high-end features with user-friendly setups. This model succeeds the AVR-S570BT and brings significant improvements, particularly with 8K HDMI support, eARC, HDR compatibility, and gaming-focused features like VRR and QFT. In essence, it's not just a receiver, it's the command center for your entertainment. One of the biggest highlights here is 8K Ultra HD support. The AVR-S570BT includes 4 HDMI 2.1 inputs and 1 HDMI output, all with eARC and up to 40 gigabits per second bandwidth. That makes it ready for the newest 8K TVs, 4K projectors, or next-gen consoles like the PS5 and Xbox Series X. And it's not just about resolution. HDR10+, Dolby Vision, HLG, and Dynamic HDR are all supported, which means deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and lifelike colors. Movies in 8K HDR or HDR-optimized games will look exactly how they're meant to, without any bottlenecks from your AV chain. Gamers will also appreciate this receiver's low-latency features. With variable refresh rate, VRR, and quick frame transport, QFT, you get smoother gameplay with reduced lag and minimal screen tearing. That buttery smooth performance isn't something older receivers could handle. Audio performance is where Denon truly stands out. The AVR-S570BT is a 5.2-channel receiver rated at 70 watts per channel, which might sound modest on paper, but Denon's tuning makes it feel much more powerful. Dual subwoofer outputs allow a full, rich 5.2 setup, delivering tight, punchy bass and immersive surround sound. It also supports Dolby TrueHD and DTS HD master audio, so movies, music, and gaming audio come through with full detail and clarity, explosions hit hard, dialogue stays anchored, and music is warm and layered. Setting it up is surprisingly easy thanks to Denon's HD Setup Assistant. Instead of fumbling through manuals, you get step-by-step on-screen guidance, speaker calibration, and EQ suggestions tailored to your room. It's one of those features that makes a huge difference in getting the best sound without frustration. Convenience is built in too. Bluetooth streaming lets you play music from Spotify, Tidal, Pandora, or your phone library directly to your 5.2 system. And controlling it is flexible. Use your TV remote through HDMI SEC or the Denon Remote app on iOS and Android for managing inputs, volume, and surround settings from